Hello, my name is Claire Moynahan, and I'm presenting my host-based forensics research project proposal. My research question: can I build a digital forensics tool that will detect and confirm ransomware, providing companies and government agencies with more timely information about potential ransomware points of infection? What's new about this? Since 2016, ransomware has been the predominant type of extortion-based malware. Cybersecurity Ventures predicts that in 2019, ransomware damages will reach over 11.5 billion US dollars. At this time, there is no established open source tool for ransomware detection. My project will explore how a digital forensics tool can proactively detect and confirm ransomware on a host machine. My project scope. This project will consist of a research paper which explores how digital forensics can be used to respond to ransomware, and a tool or proof of concept which will demonstrate how digital forensics practices can be automated to detect and confirm the presence of ransomware on a host machine. This project will not include an analysis of ransomware's encryption strategies, nor will it include an in-depth analysis of any single piece of ransomware source code. As this tool is a technical proof of concept, it will only be operable on Linux systems. My approach. The ransomware tool will incorporate Python and Bash scripts to recursively scan a Linux system for process changes. The tool will also proactively scan the system to search for file name extensions associated with known ransomware, and it will scan and detect for large volumes of renamed files. Finally, the tool will search and log any unscheduled changes in the system's DDoS rate. If ransomware is detected, the tool will scan the system for ransomware notes and will compare the ransomware notes text to open source ransomware libraries. Finally, the tool will conduct a timeline analysis to confirm the creation of new executables on the system. The tool will incorporate public source libraries such as Cuckoo Sandbox ransomware note repository to compare system files to known ransomware signatures. The tool will use Bash and Python to scan the system and generate a forensics timeline. After the project's completion, the tool will be open source and will be available on GitHub. My timeline. My timeline has been divided into 2-week intervals for milestones. On February 23rd, I will have developed the bash scripts to recursively scan a Linux system for file name extensions, renamed files, and unscheduled DDoS. All of these events will output to a CSV file. On March 9th, I will incorporate Cuckoo Sandbox GitHub repository into my program to match file text to ransomware notes. On March 23rd, I will use Python to output the scan as a timeline for forensics analysis. On April 6th, I have 2 weeks to troubleshoot any unexpected errors. On April 20th, I will write a report that describes how digital forensics practices and this technical proof of concept can be used to proactively detect and mitigate ransomware attacks. On May 4th, I will turn in my final report and my proof of concept. Thank you very much.